Okay, time for speed version. This I feel like I always do speed version. This vacation has been really good for seeing family and hanging out and relaxing. But it's been really horrible for my sleep schedule. I woke up at 6:30 today. That's real disappointing. It's Sunday. Thankfully, I have tomorrow off, and I need to go into work to help set up the. We got a new guy starting on our team, and he's starting in Colorado, so I got to make sure he's all situated and dealing with security. Security is a pain to go through at work, so got to do that. My Last night, my sister and I drove home from my parents' place, and holy smokes, we drove through a blizzard. It didn't start that way. It started as just a ton of wind, and then snow started to come down, and the roads were all foggy. It was pretty eerie, but we hopped off the highway and just sort of slowly meandered our way through side streets all the way from well, I say all the way. It's not that long. It only took us about an hour. But still, it's pretty eerie when it's so dark and foggy and you barely see anything and you just sort of pitter along. Um, that's that's all I got. I need to order the rest of my shirts today. Didn't I say that yesterday? I think so. Um, but I had trouble logging in for some reason to my Target account, and I couldn't reset my own password. It was weird. But Emily and I are gonna fix it today, and then yay! Then it's just a matter of waiting for everything to show up. That um, that'll be nice. Once I've got everything, it's done. It's dealt with. It's all paid for. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Um, so I was doing some work for the city of Arvada, and I was thinking that from that I could get myself a nice little gaming PC, put it right there for gaming and other stuff. It'd just go like right there, big old desktop, nice, powerful, cool machine. Now I'm not so sure. There are a ton of good deals on gaming PCs right now, but I don't know if that's what I really want to use that money for, so I think I'm going to sit on it and miss out on the deal, which is going to be really disappointing because if I want, if I do find that, yeah, I really wanted that gaming PC, oh shoot, I missed out. I'd be missing out on like saving like $600. It's a lot. So that is that's kind of sad because that means then I should probably just sit on the money and just wait. But hopefully there'll be more jobs from the city. I got to do one more thing for them, and then we should probably be all of our work should be complete. I'll do that later today. Send it to them. Other than that, that's my day. I'm gonna go have. I'm gonna ride my bike for like 20 minutes. Not outside. Not after that blizzard. I'm gonna set it up on the trainer and just do a quick little jaunt, as it were. Um, then then brunch with Grandpa. Grandpa leaves today, so we had a good time last night playing cards with Grandpa. He is brutal at cards. I can't remember if I said that yesterday or not, but my grandpa never loses at cards. I don't think I've beaten him once. He beat us last night. Came from behind too. He was in like third going into the end, and then just all of a sudden over the course of I think 2 rounds of play just goes third to first and then wins the whole game. I don't know. I don't know how he does it, but he's always done it. And he's in his 80s now. You know? Still sharp. That's impressive. Anyway, I should wrap this up and start doing stuff so that I can actually make it to brunch, cuz let's see. Yeah, I only have like an hour before I have to be ready to go. So, time to get moving. See ya.